Hi guys, happy holidays. I hope you guys are all doing well during this wonderful holiday season. So today I have another artist-made doll. I know I showed you my last one, Chucky. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. But this is from the same artist, so I wanted to show her to you. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. And she's in a little blanket. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Oh, look at her little feet. They're so realistic.
She's all blotchy. Looks like raisins.
Yeah, well, that's how it is with a newborn baby. She's very soft. But I do love
that one does look.
The detail. She did an amazing detail on this doll.
It does have that blotchy look.
And you can see her little veins. I mean, the artist, for the prices of her dolls, they're amazing. I think it really does look so real. So we'll go ahead, we'll take a look at her hands next. Her hands are actually up by her face, so I don't want to reveal the face yet. I want to save that for the end. We'll save the best for last. This is her other little hand. And her arm. See her little veins in there. And same thing there. You can see she's got little blotchies on her.
She's got some yellow tint. She's jaundiced.
Oh no, well some babies are born like that. The jaundice, she made her truly realistic. And her body is cloth. It's the doe suede cloth body. She comes with a little diaper on her too. Okay, so are you ready to see the face? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at her! She's so cute! I love her. Look how shiny her lips are. That's amazing, the detail. And you can see the little vein in her head. And, I mean, the artistic talent on this doll is just amazing. She's the Felicity Awake by Bountiful Baby. She has a little headband on. Her hair is painted on. And right here, I'll let you take a look at her body. Her body is weighted. It's filled with the glass beads and polyfill, so it gives her some realistic weight to a new baby. Her head is floppy, just like a real baby, because her head is not hollow. It's actually filled as well. Her arms and her legs are also filled. They're not hollow whatsoever. So yes, this is a real artist reborn. She's a budget baby. I just want to tell you where I got her. So I found her on eBay from this artist. Her name is Joe Granny in 1955. And she has a lot of dolls for sale. And if you can see her prices, like there's a couple there for $130. And I believe she charges $20 for shipping. Her dolls are just amazing. Like to get a real artist doll for that cheap, it's just amazing. So yeah, so I got her and I got my little Chucky from her, and I will probably be getting more from her because her quality is just out of this world. Her eyes are class. And I mean, even the detail of the mouth, I mean, it looks shiny, just like a real baby. But yeah, she is so adorable. I love her. So what do you guys think of her? I hope you really like her. And I do have some other dolls coming up from Amazon that I'm going to show you. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Happy holidays to you. And a Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Good night.